Today I'm going to show you how to switch the direction, the retrieve direction on the value fly reel. So if you look at the reel, there's a small little lever on the spool. You're going to push that lever, which releases the spool. Set the body over to the side. Now inside here you'll see a spring and then what's called a clutch bearing. We're going to remove this spring. To do that, use a little flathead screwdriver. Pull that spring out. Now to switch directions, you actually flip over this bearing. So I'm going to drop that out into our hand. Kind of came out this way. Now we're going to flip it over and reinstall. Put your clip back on. Reassemble to the reel. Now you're done. Thanks.